Building a scalable accounting business means going beyond managing books and balancing ledgers. It's about creating systems that allow your practice to grow without sacrificing quality, efficiency, or client satisfaction. In today's fast-paced financial landscape, scalability is essential for long-term success. Whether you're a solo CPA looking to expand your client base or a small firm aiming to grow into a larger operation, the right foundation makes all the difference. Streamlined workflows, smart use of automation tools, strong client relationships, and strategic pricing models allow you to serve more clients while maintaining high standards. When your business is built to scale, growth becomes sustainable. You can increase profits, improve efficiency, and continue delivering excellent service, all while adapting smoothly as your practice evolves. Setting the right pricing strategy is essential for maximizing profit and building a sustainable accounting or financial services practice. Effective pricing isn't just about covering costs. It reflects the value you deliver and positions your expertise appropriately in the market. Start by understanding your market. Research industry benchmarks and competitor pricing to see what clients typically pay for similar services. This insight helps you stay competitive while identifying opportunities to charge premium rates where your experience, specialization, or results set you apart. Value-based pricing is a powerful way to increase profitability. Instead of charging solely for time spent, base your fees on the outcomes you deliver. If your work helps clients reduce taxes, improve cash flow, or increase profitability, your pricing should reflect the impact of those results rather than the hours involved. Tiered pricing packages can further boost revenue while appealing to a wider range of clients. Offering clear service levels, such as basic, mid-tier, and premium options, allows clients to choose based on their needs and budget. At the same time, it creates natural opportunities for upselling and positions higher value services as part of a clear, structured offering. Building recurring revenue through monthly retainers is one of the most effective ways to stabilize cash flow in an accounting business. Unlike one-time projects or seasonal services, retainers provide predictable income that supports long-term planning and sustainable growth. This model benefits both accountants and clients by creating consistency and deeper working relationships. Monthly retainers offer several advantages. They reduce the pressure of constantly finding new clients, create steady cash flow, and encourage long-term partnerships. Clients benefit from ongoing support, regular financial oversight, and proactive guidance, making the arrangement valuable on both sides. When structuring retainers, focus on services that naturally fit a recurring model. Monthly bookkeeping, ongoing tax planning, payroll support, and financial consulting are all strong options. Clearly define what's included in each retainer to set expectations, prevent misunderstandings, and reinforce the value of the agreement. Clear communication is key to adoption. Explain to clients how retainers provide convenience, consistency, and peace of mind. Emphasize how regular financial oversight helps prevent costly errors, improves decision-making, and supports better financial outcomes over time. Upselling and cross-selling are powerful strategies for increasing client value while strengthening long-term relationships. When done correctly, they're not about pushing extra services. They're about recognizing opportunities to better support clients as their financial needs evolve. For accounting professionals, these approaches can improve client satisfaction, deepen trust, and drive sustainable growth. Upselling focuses on guiding clients toward higher-tier or more advanced services. For example, a client who currently uses basic bookkeeping services may benefit from monthly financial analysis, cash flow forecasting, or strategic tax planning. The goal is to help clients gain more insight and better results as their business grows. Cross-selling involves offering complementary services that address additional needs. A client who receives tax planning support might also benefit from retirement planning, payroll services, or business incorporation guidance. These services work together to provide more comprehensive financial support. The key to successful upselling and cross-selling is always prioritizing client outcomes. Recommendations should be based on genuine needs and clear benefits, not revenue alone. When clients see that added services help them make better decisions or avoid future problems, trust increases, and so does the overall value of the relationship. Scaling an accounting business requires efficient delegation, and virtual assistants and outsourcing play a key role in making growth sustainable. These strategies allow firms to increase capacity, streamline operations, and focus on higher value services without the cost and complexity of hiring full-time staff. By building a flexible support system, you can serve more clients while maintaining quality and efficiency. Virtual assistants are ideal for handling administrative and routine tasks. They can manage scheduling, client follow-ups, document organization, and basic bookkeeping, freeing up your time to focus on strategic work, client relationships, and advisory services that drive revenue. Outsourcing is especially useful for specialized or time-intensive tasks such as payroll processing, tax preparation, or IT support. This approach ensures work is handled by experts while giving your firm the flexibility to scale up during busy seasons and scale down when demand is lower. The benefits of delegation are significant. By assigning the right tasks to the right resources, you reduce workload stress, improve productivity, and maintain a high standard of service. Virtual assistants and outsourcing make it possible to grow your practice sustainably while maximizing profitability and preserving work-life balance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.